Let me first explain what is a learning disability and when do we say that our child has learning disability. In order to arrive at this, you have to understand the definition of learning disability. We certify a child as having a learning disability if his eyesight is normal or he had a refractive index which has been taken care of, he is wearing glasses, his hearing is normal, he doesn't really have any secondary issues like emotional problems are taken care of, and any other issue relating to we talked about the biochemical issues, so he doesn't have those issues, and yet he is not able to cope up in classroom learning. So that is what learning disability is. Now there are learning disability is an umbrella term, and there are other names that we give or titles that we give to the learning disability, and that is, the first one is dyslexia. Dyslexia is a reading disability. The child is normal, yet he is not able to read at his age appropriate level. Now, reading here, the child may know his alphabets, A to Z, he knows very well, and but when he starts reading, he may be spelling and reading, or he knows the sound of, say, A and T, but when A and T come together, he is not able to combine the sounds. So that is what is learning disability, which is known as dyslexia. It is a language related difficulty, and it can be in any language, whatever language he is learning it. The second is writing difficulty, which is known as dysgraphia, difficulty with writing. Now, writing, I mean handwriting, but also expressive writing. When you tell the child to write about himself or write a small composition or an essay, he is not able to do that well. He is not able to express himself on paper. So, that is a difficulty which is known as dysgraphia. Another one which we have to focus on is dyscalculia. Calculia comes from the word calculation. This child has tremendous difficulty with arithmetic. He is not able to do simple addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, not able to retain the multiplication table. So, these are the difficulties which stop him from doing his math well. And there is another learning disability which is known as dyspraxia. Dyspraxia is not so commonly known, but it does affect the child. This is when he is not able to use his motor ability, that is, not able to write fast, not able to what his brain says, and his body, that his hands are not able to do that instruction well, that is known as dyspraxia. So, these are the terms which come under the umbrella of learning disability.